feeling the sweater roll. Oh, that's better. Hey, are you even listening?
Just look at them! Out of my league for sure. Or is it? It's important to stay hydrated in all areas of the body. This is how I do my makeup. A little messy experience. The monster is in town. Beware! Mom's makeup! Things are about to get wild. Let me see. I'm going all out. I like all the colors, so I'm not choosing one. I'm the rainbow! Now let's get the magic stick. Is the Joker looking for a new Harley? Because I'm ready! The messier, the better. Time for kisses! Nice eyelashes. Give me these two. Let's see how they look on me. I'm gorgeous. I will be a TikTok star very soon. I just need glitter. My sister has some. Sister, do you have glitter? Tell me.
What? What is this girl about? I'll never know.
This is what I do after school. Spoiler, wilding out. Hey, it's time to play! Hey, little guy. I can hear your hair growing, literally. Now it's time for a quick haircut. I love you. I spy with my little eye. You, the beautiful viewer. You spin my head right round. If anyone thinks he can outdance me, be my guest. Yay! I'm bored.
Another boring day at school.
Did you see what Sarah was wearing?
This guy thinks he got a chance with me. To the friend zone, mister.
Show him, girl.
Elvis?
Wait.
No battery. I need a charger.
It's Come here.
Ginger, what are you doing?
We're just doing jiu-jitsu.
Jiu-jitsu? Have fun.
Bye, Dad. Never.
This is how I pick my clothes. I'm a fashion icon. Well, what do we have here? My dear friends, I love you so much. I wish you could be a part of me. I know what to do. Just don't move. I will be quick. Just look at me. Let me get the higher ground. Time to celebrate my newest collection. Rick Owens, beware.
What are you wearing, clown?
Something original, Kylie Jenner wannabe.
Candle is my favorite, actually. Oh, Dad.
My beauty, come to Daddy now. He's expecting you. Yeah. What?
I'm just feeding my bears.
Hey, Dad. I'm coming from a job interview. This is my formal attire. How's your day?
What shh do you do?
This is what happens during test. Yikes. Just 5,000 likes? Legs off the table, Letty. Whatever. You have done really poorly. How cool. I almost feel stressed. Whatever. All mistakes in life are fixable, well, except for my ex, of course. Now watch me get smarter in a matter of seconds. A for effort, or it's spelled with E. I'm so smart, maybe a genius, actually without realizing it. Stop! Yikes! Oh no! What about your test? I passed, as always. Let me see. Oh, good job. What's this? That's my cue. Oh, Ginger!
I hope I have done well.
Here you go.
An A! Minus? Oh no! A minus! I need to fix it. Tom Cruise, watch and learn. I can't! I need to show it to my mom! The moon is freezing, so is my soul. I will never see the spark of joy again.
Honey, what's wrong?
Existence itself, mother. I will show you now. I'm ashamed of my family. I'm sorry.
What is this girl about? Oh. Honey, it's good.
What? Really? Thank you so much.
Oh.
No more black metal for me.
At least one of them is smart.
What I do when it's raining. P.S. I love it. Rain! Yay!
Not so fast. Look at your feet.
What about them? I mean, I have nice socks on.
You're not going without this.
Thank you, Daddy! I'm not afraid of the rain. The rain should be afraid of me. Watch me bounce around like a boss.
Oh no. It's raining? I hate my life. It's time to be sad. Lana Del Rey, here I come. Who of my exes should I miss now? I'll miss them all at once. I will never find love again this week. No one gets what I'm going through. Oh.
And this is what I do first thing in the morning. I wanted to continue the dream with the unicorns and Tom Holland. Maybe next time. Time to start the day. I'm first. It's a new day! Yay! I got to make my lovely bed. Let's get things cracking. 99, 100. Let's get them pearly white and fine. My hair is so messy. That's a lot better. Yay! I love going to school so much. My favorite place ever. Yay!
What? I hate this little thing so much. Almighty Thor will unleash her power in you.
Hi! Huh? What are you doing on the floor?
Oh, thanks. More sleep for me.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
This little annoying. No, I shouldn't. Get your zen back on, girl.
Watch me do my hair. Pay attention. I bought so many things. Woo! Keep it steady. Keep it steady. Good. Let's see what we got. It's time to do my hair. Love is in the air. Could you smell it? Woo! Look at that. Let me put this thing on. Think I got it. Let's continue with the other treasures. Wow! I will take this and this. Come to mommy. Looks good. But I'm not done. Beware. You know what's coming, right? It will be more glamorous, I can tell you that. Click, click. Let's go. Press and hold. Watch the magic happen before your very own eyes. I can literally do this all day. Yay! Now I'm ready.
Slam dunk. I leave this guy on scene for another week. Elvis will be here in 15 minutes, but my hair is a mess. Oh no! It's worse than I imagined it. Gotta act quick. This thing looks a bit scary. Let's give it a try. Hope everything goes smoothly. What? Get off! Get off! I hate gadgets. Never again. What now? I have to find a way. Oh, I know what to do. Beanie for the weenie. I'm slaying in that or what? Always I'm your queen. Come here.
What I do when I'm in a bad mood. Stay tuned. It's time to prepare for university. It's never too early to be smart. At least that's what Einstein once tweeted. I don't get that. Am I good enough for that? I don't know. Oh, I can't solve it! What are you looking at with your judgy eyes? Oh, come on! I'm so mad! Wait a second. You're right! Everything is going to be great! Positive vibes! What were you at? Life and an amazing adventure! Yay!
I love you and you're such a sweetie pie. You are so cute and I love you, but I don't know what it means. You are the best. Huh? He's perfect. Oh, who's this? Him with another girl? Oh, what? I will smash this guy's face! Just like this thing here! Doesn't help! Mr. Pigs! Mr. Piggy, why is he just like you? Oh, I want to! Oh, I feel so much better! Huh? Oh no, you would not! Desperate times, desperate measures. Queen, we're always better. Well, now I feel better.